Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete invite messages on Instagram. So what are basically invite message? You guys can see that I'm going to show you. Here is the message which I have made. It is like invite sent. So what you can do is whenever you hold this message and long press the message, you guys can see there is no any no any kind of option which is like delete or unsend. So what you can do is you have to just simply don't worry about it, simply go back and simply go to Play Store. And first of all, you guys may have to make sure that you have used the latest version of Instagram. So you have to just simply open up Instagram in your Play Store and simply click on update to update this application. So you guys can see here is the update is required. So firstly, you have to update the application. After that, you have to just simply visit that specific profile in which you sent the message. So I have sent the message. So I am just clicking on view profile and that profile will be open to you. Now what you have to do is simply click on the top right corner of three dots. So I'm just clicking on it. So after that, you have to simply click on block, which is second option. So you have to simply block the account. Simply click on block. So what you have to do is simply go back to the chat and you guys can see there is a delete button here which is right next to unblock. You have to simply click on delete and click on delete, and in this way you guys can delete invite messages on Instagram very easily. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.